100% of Samoan coastal communities fearing for their future right now. Earlier today, the HMNZS Manawanui struck a reef and went down during a routine survey mission. While all 75 crew members were safely rescued, the real danger lies beneath the waves. The sunken ship poses a severe threat of oil spills, jeopardizing marine life and the livelihoods of local fishermen and tourism operators. Authorities have sprung into action, dispatching divers and spill kits to contain what could be a disastrous leak. The ship held various types of oil, and any spillage could lead to long-term environmental damage. The local communities are on edge, worried about the impact on their precious ocean resources. New Zealand officials are investigating the incident, but the urgency to prevent an ecological nightmare is palpable. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's hope swift action can avert a major crisis.